All right, welcome back, everybody. Good Thursday evening to you all. Warm and windy throughout the state, almost 60 degrees still in Great Falls, but how about that? That's a nice number right there. West wind dying down to only about 8 miles per hour. Pretty sunset in Helena here earlier this evening, and it still is pretty warm, 69 degrees, and we had a new record high. Actually, just checked the record, up to 76 degrees today. That is pretty hot for November here in Montana. A little cooler air, northwest Montana. That's a sign of things to come. 50s and 60s pretty much for the rest of the state. And the wind, the high wind warning expired here. It still is a little breezy in some areas, but that wind intensity is coming down. Some rain up in the northwest part of the state. It's going to stay up there here for another 24 to even 48 hours or so, but that's our storm that will be affecting us here this weekend. Let's take a look at the weekend and the rest of the work week. For tonight, a little rain East Glacier, a little rain up around Kalispell and Whitefish and Libby. Tomorrow, though, temperatures will drop enough that there will be a little mix of rain and snow around Shelby and Cup Bank and East Glacier and Browning and Babb and Hart Butte, St. Mary as well. But notice the snow stays up there around Sweetgrass Hills, picking up maybe a little snow as well. Sunburst, maybe some snow, but it will remain north of Great Falls all day on Friday. How about Friday night into Saturday morning? It actually lifts northward up into Canada here. Maybe a little snow returning again to around the Babb area as we get into Saturday afternoon. But 7:30 Saturday evening, where's the snow? Well, it's about to start for places like Great Falls and Helena. Watch this, right after 7:30, boom, there's that snow really increasing, and it will come down pretty heavily at times through the overnight into Sunday morning. Sunday, snow for Lewistown and Havre and Great Falls and Helena and Cup Bank, and the wind will start to increase through the afternoon and the evening. Look at this intense wind up here in eastern Montana, even central and northwestern parts of the state. I think around Helena we will have some wind, but it won't be quite as bad as the northeast areas here in the state. These conditions, you want to probably avoid traveling, especially after dark there on Sunday evening. Snowfall amounts a little bit tomorrow into the afternoon, East Glacier area, but it's Saturday night into Sunday morning that snow will really pile up. How much? Yeah, maybe about a foot around Helena here. Could have a little more in the mountains around town. Great Falls, we could push 18 inches in some areas, especially southern Cascade County. I know I've got the city list here, but this is for really the surrounding areas as well. Lewistown, Cup Bank, Glasgow, and Havre, that's where actually the snow could be the heaviest, plus a lot of drifting of that snow and the strong wind. Forecast for tonight, maybe a couple of flakes and drops up there around the Cup Bank area. Rest of the state, fairly mild. For tomorrow, Friday, looking at highs in the 50s and the 60s. And again, a little wet snow up around the East Glacier area. It stays up there until late on Saturday. That's when the cold front will come down. So you have most of the day on Saturday, unless you're traveling around East Glacier, where the conditions will be dry and it will be mild again, 40s to about 50 degrees. Look at that Sunday morning. Sunday afternoon and evening, some really nasty conditions with snow and wind, northeast Montana. Temperatures falling into the teens and 20s. Wind chills could be down below zero. And again, blizzard conditions likely here for northeast, north central Montana. Blizzard conditions at times around Great Falls, maybe even around the Helena area, certainly North Hills, maybe around the Silver City area. And then into Monday, the snow moving out. Cold air remains and winds will remain, and that will blow around the snow, keeping the travel conditions on the slippery side for Monday. After Monday, a couple of snow showers Tuesday and Wednesday, a light accumulation, but again, this weekend, the weather really does deteriorate. Travel conditions as well Saturday night into Sunday. And for Great Falls, it's after dark Saturday that the snow begins. Really tough conditions to be outside or traveling on Sunday, and then some slow improvement on Monday.
All right, thanks for that, Kurt.